What's up? It's Black Ace 36. Another tutorial today. Today we're going to be doing split time counterclockwise. These are going to be Wallplane flowers. And I'm throwing in the crosser, which gives it an extra little kick. So this is what they look like. And okay, so the poi, this is what's happening to me is what's gonna happen to you guys a lot too. Right on the cross, the poi are either gonna hit or hyperloop. So the only way to avoid that is by putting one arm slightly in front of the other, right? So right here, I'm going to be showing you guys some Wallplane flowers. Some very sweet Wallplane flowers, actually. So let's get the camera right. So yeah, Black Ace 36 Wallplane flowers today we're going to be doing are going to involve some practice with your Wallplane. So we're doing split time. I go right on top and then you cross it. And you go top, top, hitting each cardinal point and then crossing it, right? So the hardest part is when you cross this, right there. So I've got my right poi going clockwise and my other poi going, my right poi is going counterclockwise and my left poi is going counterclockwise, and they are both split time. So your arms are going to be moving clockwise as well.
So yeah, this looks incredibly sweet with fire or LED.
So really all you're doing is getting used to this with one arm along with this with the other arm. So with one arm you're anti-spinning, and with the other arm this goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And not have that happen, and try and practice it this way too. It helps if you get into it first, you know? Like opposed to just trying to do it, it'll help you if you kind of guide in and then hold it, and then when you come out and hold it, so boom. I go right on top first, but it doesn't really matter. This actually technically is a continuous assembly pattern or a cap, because really it can be done forever continuously without being disrupted. So if you know how to do Wallplane flowers like this, or any of the sort, this is not anything out of the ordinary. And you can alter this too and do sweet stuff like taking out a beat, you know. So things to practice are going to be, just start like this, right? Before you get into the crosser. But you can go straight crosser, crosser, crosser. You can make this easier. Or you can, the coolest thing about the anti-spin flowers is at any moment you can choose how many petals you want. If you want 4, you just got 4, right? But this right here is particularly cool because not only is it a cap, but it's just got an amazing, feel to it. Just feels so right when you nail it down. So 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat, 4. 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 Right? Or you could break it down and be like, you could go 1 beat. You could go 1 beat. Flower, right, to extension, to cross, get down are this, one poi slightly angled in front of the other, right? And you're gonna want to practice this. One poi slightly in front of the other. Other than that, it's just regular Wallplane flower. I've just complicated it a bit, you know?